so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm sharing with you my BOXYCHARM pop-up haul for August 2020. I'll leave my BOXYCHARM playlist to watch previous unboxings. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get hauling. I think this was actually like the first BOXYCHARM pop-up. I did not go completely bananas. I look forward to it all the time, and it always falls around the time that FabFitFun add-ons go live too. So there's just a lot going on, and you want to be strategic and you don't want to go completely overboard like I have been known to in the past. I was very glad that I stayed in control. I was texting Joy and Jackie during all this too. Surprisingly, for the first time, I have to say it on camera, because if I didn't say it, it didn't happen, right? I spent the least. Jackie was like, no way, you're lying, who are you? And I actually ended up going back for a second order, which that's why there are 2 boxes here, which usually happens because there's some products like I'm on the fence about, do I really want it? And I was still thinking about them, so I was like, all right, let's just go back and see. So I think I might have spent maybe 100 between these 2 orders, and that never happens for me. This box is the second pop-up order that I placed. These were the items that I was second guessing and ultimately went back to get them. 2 of the items I completely missed on pop-up. Jackie and Joy sent me screenshots of their order, and then I sent them screenshots of my order, and when I saw Joy's order, I was like, wait, there was Jouer. Where? So I go back and I'm like, it's already gonna be out of stock because it's Jouer. Every time that they have been in add-ons or pop-up, it has been gone like that instantly. But here they are. The first lip liner is in the shade Rose Shimmer, and I'm trying to get better at lip liners, but it's Jouer, and I just had to try their formula. I really like Gerard Cosmetics and LA Girls lip liner formulas. I think they're fantastic, and I think Jouer's is retractable, and those are the ones that I usually like. I find them a little bit more creamy and working out better for me and my dry lips. This was super creamy, and there's like a little bit of a metallic shift to it. Ooh, I'm obsessed because I do have some metallic lips, and I really want to give this a shot. I think this would be really pretty worn alone, maybe with a gloss. Oh, I'm sad there was only 2 then. And then the second shade was Pink Champagne Shimmer. Ooh, this one's gonna be pretty as well. Oh my gosh. Oh, I am obsessed. This would look really nice with my Dose of Colors Stone and Lunar Beauty Gloss combo. And these are the 2 shades swatched side by side. As I mentioned quite a few times, these are super creamy. I hope that they are long wearing. And I'm pretty sure based off how it feels is going to be quite comfortable, which I do need more comfortable formulas because I have the driest lips. It doesn't matter how much chapstick exfoliation I do, they're still dry as the desert. Definitely have to see how they wear alone, pair them together, and see what the best is going to be, especially if they have like that shimmer metallic shift to them. This next product is by Earth Harbor. This is the Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. This brand only rang a bell to me because there was a product feature from this brand, I believe in the box by Fashion Stuff. Oh wow. Oh, it's like flubber. What? Oh no, I don't know how I feel about this. I didn't expect it to be as liquidy. I was hoping maybe more of like a semi-solid. I don't know. It had the word mask in it, and I love masks, even though it's not a sleep mask per se, because those are like my go-tos. Lately, I have been needing a little bit more oomph to my masks. I've been having a little bit more redness and some texture flare-ups here and there. So I've been needing a little bit more than what a sleep mask can do for me. Definitely like flubber. It has like that slimy consistency that the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleep Mask has. You only leave it on for 3+ minutes and rinse. Or you can use it as a spot treatment, limit sun exposure when using this product. So definitely make sure you have that SPF on. Next we have the Marc Jacobs Undercover. This is the Perfecting Coconut Eye Primer. I have been sad ever since I ran out of my Anastasia Beverly Hills. That was my go-to primer. Concealer, it's tacky like it, but it just doesn't do it for me like how the ABH one did. And I have like thousands of tubes of the Urban Decay Potion Primer. I've accumulated my fair share, and I've just been using that. It's been treating me well and doing what I need to do for an eye look. And it was really hard to not just put every Marc Jacobs product in my cart, because that's normally what I would have done in the past. And I had to think a little bit more realistically because I don't always use gloss. I mean, I don't always use lip liner either, but they only had 2 and those were like $6, and Marc Jacobs glosses were like double that price. They had some eyeshadows and I've been curious about them, but I never found their palettes to be that practical for me. I know like the convenience of smaller palettes for like on the go or just to make a simple look, but I'm also on the other side where I like my palettes to be ginormous with 1,000 different options, because you never know what you're gonna end up with. Like today I have blue, I have purple, I got pink going on, and I has created this mermaid cotton candy inspired look. Even though I've been dying to try their formula, I was like, no, let's just be good, and I just got the one product that I ultimately really was curious about. So it kind of is like the newer potion primers. The old ones had doe foot, and a lot came out with just that little squeeze. It has like a similar tacky feeling to it. I'm very curious to see how this works. Very faint scent to it. I have really high hopes for that product. And then lastly, from this order, I have the Design Me Quickie Me Dry Shampoo Foam. I was super intrigued by this product because it said dry shampoo foam. I've never used a dry shampoo foam before, and let alone this brand. IPSY Shopper had like a hair bundle deal a couple weeks ago, and it had one of their products in there, but that came damaged. Like all of the bottles had like exploded from like the heat and leaked everywhere, so I did not get a chance to try their detangler or leave-in conditioner or whatever product it was. It was like in a green spray bottle, so I've definitely been curious about trying their products. I see them all over IPSY and BOXYCHARM, so I figured let's give it a shot and see. I think it was like maybe $6. If it doesn't completely work out, it's not like a huge loss, but it's still $6. It's supposed to cleanse, detox, and refresh for all hair types. I don't know, there's something about like the foam that just sounds cool. Sizzle. Whoa, okay. I'm just gonna put a little bit, but if I'm doing that right. Apply as needed, starting with golf ball size amount, massage through into scalp and hair, brush. Okay, well I can't really do it into my scalp, but I did it on like the tips of my hair. I don't see any white cast residue, which is nice. That's what a lot of dry shampoos do. The other day I was using a dry shampoo. Which one was it? The Dry Bar shampoo, and I had sprayed some and I got some on my shirt. Griffin's like, what is that? I'm like, dang it, it's white cast. It has like a nice scent to it. Maybe like a lavender vanilla. I like that. The ends feel a little bit refreshed. They are, of course, like the more drier part of my hair. I did wash my hair last night, so I don't really expect my hair to have that greasy or oily look or feel to it right now, but tomorrow for sure. And this was my original and main order. So staying on the topic of Design Me, this is the Glow Me Hydrating Mask. I definitely need hydration to my hair, but I have to admit, it's been a few weeks now since I've had it at this length and no heat to it. I find my hair being able to retain moisture. It's a lot more softer these days too. And also with that in mind, I'm having to wash my hair a little bit more often, like almost every other day or every 2 days, as opposed to letting my hair go like 3 to 5 days. Next is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Leave-In Conditioner. It's funny because I recently just hauled one of these from Sephora Memorial Day weekend. They had some items that were 50% off. This was one of them. I really enjoy this line from Briogeo a lot. I have tried the shampoo and conditioner, and of course the leave-in that we have gotten in some boxes in the past, and I really needed some full-size ones because I really miss my It's a 10 leave-in conditioner. I just haven't gone out of my way to purchase one because of how expensive it is. So when I saw one on sale at Sephora, I definitely just had to take the opportunity to get another one, and I figured since I am going to use it, I will probably go through it rather quickly. Maybe not as quick as I thought because my hair is a lot shorter now, but it's still worthwhile to go on ahead and get a backup. So many hair items, but I also had to pick up the Briogeo Curl Charisma. I have really been enjoying embracing my natural hair and not damaging it for at least almost a month now. It's definitely been an experiment of trying out new hair products, and I have found two that have really worked out for me. Aveda's Curl Prep, and then Jackie recommended Uncle Funky's, and those two products together have been working out so well for my hair. And just being a fan of Briogeo's products, and I didn't know that they had a curly line, so I wanted to take the opportunity of picking up this item because it was such a good price, because Briogeo can be expensive. I just wanted to see how this might help the curly hair routine that I have going on right now. Next is by Sunday Riley. This is the CEO Vitamin C Brightening Serum. I've had my eye on some of these Sunday Riley products for so long. I almost picked this up during FabFitFun add-ons, but I was strong and I forgoed it, which I'm glad I did because it was about $10 cheaper on BOXY POPUP, and I was like, you know what? It's a sign. It showed up in FabFitFun. Didn't get it. It showed up in Pop-Up. now's my chance. I have been working on some brightening products in my routine. Again, like my hair, I usually focus on hydration because I have dry skin, but lately it has been a little bit more dull, and Sunday Riley is a brand that I really do enjoy. That this product full price is like $100+. I figure, you know what, if it's going to be on sale during pop-up or FabFitFun, might as well get it now because I'm never going to try it at the normal retail price. And then the last item is by Fenty Beauty. This is the liquid lipstick in the shade Undefeated. I have the red liquid lipstick and I absolutely loved it. It is so stunning and the formula is really good, long lasting. So I definitely had to get the purple one for fall. Oh my gosh, this is it. This is my new go-to shade. Look how gorgeous Undefeated is. I was kind of sad that I didn't see as many Fenty products that I thought were going to be hyped up for pop-up. I wish there was like more highlighters because I saw for Luxe there's going to be so many highlighter variations that all those variations should have been in pop-up, my opinion. That way you can stock up on the shades that you may or may not get. It would have been nice to pick out one that you want because there are some crazy colors and not everyone is going to want those like me. So I thought that should have been like Luxe choice number 3. But since they didn't show up for pop-up, I would like to see those in September add-ons. Normally my pop-up hauls are very makeup heavy and we swatch everything. Aside for these 2 items, the rest is hair care. I think hair care is my most neglected routine and that's something I'm trying to change, and I've really been enjoying trying out new hair products, seeing what works. Now that my hair is at a healthy, maintainable length, this is something I definitely want to keep up. I don't want the ends to get really gross. I don't want my hair to feel heavy. I just want it to look and feel healthy. I would love to know, did you guys shop BOXYCHARM pop-up and what did you pick up? Did you buy a lot of hair care items, skincare items, or makeup? Do we have any mutual items that we picked up in pop-up? And if we don't, what did you pick up instead? How did everything work out for you? I would love to know your experience in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.